Today we have fascinating story to share with you about Gagan Malik, a remarkable individual who has grown from a teenage cricketer to an adult actor and is now spreading the message of Buddhism both in India and internationally, and has led to his incredible growth and success of Gagan Malik. So let's get started about Gagan Malik's inspiring, thoughtful, helpful story. Gagan Malik was born on February 29, 1976 in Delhi. He listens Ramayana since childhood. His mother told that and he played a Lord Rama in Ram Leela. He grew up playing cricket and continued to play during his teenage years, even participating in the Ranji Trophy. In his late teens, Gagan Malik married his high school sweetheart when he was 22. His wife's name is Pooja and who is very supportive. Gaganji entered the world of commercial ads and modeling and then ventured into TV series world where he played the role of Lord Rama in Ramayana on Zee TV. Gagan's acting skills were so impressive that he was cast again as Lord Rama in Sankat Mochan Mahabali Hanuman on Sony TV. He played three characters in that series: Lord Rama, Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna. But he played one character named Sri Siddharth Gautam. Then his life totally changed after he read about Lord Buddha. Then he propagated Buddhism in all over country. Then he back to India. He listens about Bodhisattva Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. After he read about his life journey, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar became his role model. Gagan Malik is not only a talented actor but also a dedicated Buddhism activist. He won the Best Actor Award in the World Buddhist Film Festival, organized by the United Nations for his portrayal of Prince Siddharth in the Sri Lankan Sinhala film Sri Siddharth Gautama. Gagan's performance in this film truly showcased his acting prowess and commitment to his craft. In 2014, Gagan Malik renounced Hinduism and embraced Buddhism on Poson Poyade in Hindale, Sri Lanka. On 10th of February 2022, Malik ordained at Wat Thong Temple in Bangkok, Thailand. His short-term monkhood will last for 15 days, which he would take the opportunity to further study the teachings of Buddhism in Thailand. But he remained a Buddhist monk for 4 months until June 2022, during which time he visited major Buddhist sites related to the life of the Buddha and Ambedkar. Gagan is also a devoted Buddhist and is on a mission to revive Buddhism in India. Gagan's journey is a testament to the power of courage, patience, love and friendship. He's been a long and winding road, but his determination and dedication have kept him going. His growth and success are a testament to his hard work and perseverance. I hope you enjoyed learning about the life and career of Gagan Malik. Keep spreading love, peace, compassion and keep service to humanity gives you real inner happiness.